Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be making meatloaf. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, ketchup, chili powder, salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, seasoning salt, garlic salt, and fresh garlic. You're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to start by mixing all of the ingredients in the bowl minus the ketchup. So now you're going to have to get down and dirty and get your hands in it and just mix everything up till it's all mixed well. So now you're going to form it into a loaf and then put it in a pan and cover it with ketchup. Once your oven is preheated, you're going to put it in and bake it for 35 minutes. After you have finished baking it, you're going to let it sit on the counter for 15 minutes and rest.